Good day everyone. I'm going to tell you about all the delicious apples and pears on the market. I'm INGE from TRU-CAPE Fruit Marketing and I will be helping you make the best pick of apples and pears to your purpose. Let's start with a classic, good old Granny Smith, named after the legendary Granny Maria Ann Smith. This is a juicy and crisp apple and it's great for baking. Next in the picking is the Fuji apple. Not only is it the sweetest apple in the world, but its crisp and refreshing flavor makes it the best apple to snack on. Due to its firm flesh, it makes a great caramel apple, but be warned, it will be sweeter than sweet. This Braeburn apple is sure to become your next favorite snack due to its incredible rich flavor and texture. Its natural cinnamon and nutmeg flavor makes the fruit taste like homemade apple pie right off the tree. The Royal Gala apple has a whitish yellow color with red streaks. It is extra crunchy, sweet and fragrant, perfect for eating fresh, or it can be cooked to make a scrumptious sauce. Top red apples are deliciously crunchy and has a deep red exterior and a super sweet, crisp white flesh. While it's not the best idea for baking, it is delicious to eat fresh and is available to you all year long. ABATE FETEL is an elegant, long-necked pear with a sweet and delicious taste. If you're not familiar with the ABATE FETEL, you might be cautious of this exotic-looking pear on the shelf, but do not fear. They're an excellent pear for snacking and cooking. They contain vitamin C, A, calcium and iron. And last but not least, one of the less intimidating pears, the FORELLE pear. These are one of the smaller variety of pears, but do not be fooled, as this bell-shaped pear packs a flavorful punch. And thanks to its sweet taste and smaller size, it makes for a great lunchbox addition. And that's only a few of the varieties available to you at your local food lovers market. So be sure to pop in and explore our best fresh produce available to you. Head to our website for exciting apple and pear recipes, perfect for chilly winter nights.